Hey, my name is Tabner Carey. I'm the Vice President of Product Development for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm here to talk about our brand new Foil Quill. This is the all-in-one kit. So let me explain what this is. This is a heat pen. It actually comes with 3 heat pens. It comes with a bold tip, a standard tip, and a fine tip. These sit into your cutting machine, your electronic cutting machine. So whether it's a Cricut, a Silhouette, Brother, Sizzix, it's going to work for your machine with the different adapters that we have. And it heats up and it transfers foil onto your project, and you'll be impressed with the results, believe me. So let me go ahead and do a demo for you. So we are going to take our paper and our foil. Here's our paper. Here's our foil. So what you'll do is you'll put your paper down on your mat and you'll tape your foil down. Something that we're developing, we're in the process of, and it'll be launching a little bit later than the rest of the Foil Quill products, is our magnetic mat. But I'm using this for the demo because it makes it way easier. So I'm just going to put my foil and paper down, put my magnetic strips down. There we go. Just like that, and we are set up. Let's come over here to our Silhouette and get this loaded. Go ahead and send our artwork, and in a couple seconds it'll start foiling for us. So again, this is plugged in. It's plugged into my power bank right here, but you can plug it into certain machines, have power, USB power that you can plug into. You can plug it into your computer, your wall outlet with an adapter, so anywhere you'd plug in your USB products. It's heated up. It is now transferring the foil, and in a minute it's going to be done, and we'll look at the results. In the meantime, let me tell you about some of our other accessories. So we have, we do sell the pen, if you can see over here, the all-in-one kit, but we also sell the pens individually. All of those come with all 4 adapters. So again, Cricut, Silhouette, Brother, Sizzix, and it's going to work for different machines as well. So if you have the Cricut Maker versus the Cricut Air, it's going to work for both of those. We also have our foil. We sell it in 4x6 sheets as well as 12-inch rolls. This is special foil. It's heat-activated foil, and it's designed specifically to work with our Foil Quill pens. We have USB thumb drives, so of course you can upload any artwork that you want to, but we have a great library of artwork. So we have 6 different SKUs, and each one has 200 pieces of artwork on them. We also have our placement tape. We'll soon be coming out with our magnetic mat. So everything that you need. All right, this is almost done here. Getting the last few details on there, and there we go. Let's see how this looks. There we go. You can see that fine detail, that shimmer. It's on there. It's not going to rub off. And again, this can work on different substrates. So that was cardstock, but it's going to work on certain fabrics, certain leathers, vinyl. So it's really fun and versatile. I don't know what else to say. We just won the Best of Show new product winner from Creativation. So we're excited about that. So yeah, thanks.